Hi, this is Jenny Lu, and we're going to go over one of the energy accumulation postures we practice in class, Sleeping Tiger. Okay, let's get ready and lay down on your mat. Make sure you have a nice supportive surface, holding onto the back side of your legs, coming down. On your back first, just keep the knees lifted for now, and then nice firm contact of your whole entire back. So the most important alignment in this pose is actually in our pelvis area, because we're going to engage our core. With that core strength, we can hold the legs up. So you can try a few times. When our back is just naturally relaxed, there's a little bit of a gap between the lower back and the floor. For now, you can just relax and feel, right? So your neck relaxed, you can look up to the ceiling or even close your eyes. Gently doing a posterior pelvic tilt. That means you're going to tuck your tailbone a little bit, press the sacrum flat against the floor, and then feel that you're eliminating the gap between the back and the floor, and then slowly relax again. And now you can poke your belly, right? It's a little softer. And when you're doing that engagement, so you're engaging, dropping, actually tucking the tailbone a little bit, pelvis kind of engaged, core engaged, and you can feel your abs are firmer. Okay, so from here we can try one leg up at a time. So we want to hold 90 degrees angles in the hip joint, knee joint if you're able to. If not, a little bit higher is okay. Just not drop this way. Okay, and then your ankle is flexed. You can try this once, and then we're also going to focus on the ball of the foot. There's that acupressure point, kidney 1. It's going to help us to bring energy to the lower abdomen. And you can try the other leg. So while you're doing this, your whole upper body is completely relaxed. Same thing, 90 degrees in the hips, 90 in the knee, so your shin parallel or maybe a little bit up. Press through the heel, and then by flexing both ankles, when you're ready, you can bring your legs up. Yeah, so have a nice firm contact with the floor behind the back. And from here, you're going to relax. Have your arms relaxed, but we are going to press the palms up. So we're going to activate a few very important acupressure points for us to be able to accumulate energy. So we first receive, then we can accumulate. Okay, so from here, we mentioned the balls of the feet, kidney 1. So third weight down from the second toe. And the palms of your hands. So if you remember, when we practice energy meditation, when you make a soft fist, where the middle finger touches, that's PC8, pericardium meridian channel number 8. It's on the heart protector channel. So your elbows are soft, wrists are flexed, ankles are flexed. So each limb, we have 6 meridian channels passing through. And once you have your whole back in a nice supportive position, close your eyes. If you normally wear glasses, I would take them off for now, just so you're relaxed as much as your body will let you in this moment. So we're going to hold for a few minutes while I give you some tips. So if by any chance you do feel like it's getting too much, you can lower one foot down, right? Still holding that posture with your core engaged. And after maybe, equal number of breaths, say 5 breaths or 10 breaths, you can switch to the other side. And the other thing, the alternative is to maybe just give yourself a nice hug, rocking out a couple of seconds, and go back up. Okay, once you're ready, let's close the eyes. And the way we breathe here is breathing in through the nose and exhale out through your mouth. And you can use what's called Tai Chi breathing. So lightly touch the tip of your tongue against the back of your upper teeth. And this way when you exhale, you let go of air, keeping energy in. And as you hold this posture, the only tension is in your lower abdomen. Your spine is supported by the floor. Your legs are held up by your core. And you breathe into your belly, exhaling out any stale air. Energy is pouring in from the soles of your feet along the legs to your lower abdomen, your second chakra, your lower dantian, 2 inches below your navel, about third way in. Palms of your hands. Energy flows in along the arms, going to your heart, and sinking that to your lower abdomen. And there's one more point on the back, opposite the navel. On your spine, it's on the governing channel, due 4. So it's called the gate of life acupressure point. So because we're engaging the core, that point is flat against the floor. So you can draw energy in from Mother Earth and also guiding that into your lower abdomen. So as you hold this posture, soften your face, gentle smile on your face, releasing the happy hormone endorphins. They're natural painkillers. And then with your mind's eye, you're looking towards your lower abdomen. No tension in the chest, shoulders, or your face. And you might feel your body starting to gently vibrate. So that happens when there's, right, energetically, if there's a blockage. When that blockage, before that blockage is able to open, it's like a garden hose. There's a kink in the garden hose. So when we first turn on the faucet, energy is going to rush through. But once it meets that blockage, it's going to start to push through. So this is happening here. And once energy is able to push through, and you'll be able to hold the posture longer, vibration will start later. And, maybe you won't even vibrate. So just kind of feel. And if this is too easy for you, if you have no neck injuries, you can also lift your head up, tucking your chin down. With your mind's eye, look toward your lower abdomen. So when you breathe, inhaling through the nose, longer exhale out through your mouth. When you feel comfortable enough, you can breathe in and out through your nose, which is more meditative. So in the beginning, when you practice, you can hold 3 minutes, 5 minutes. You can start to lengthen your practice to 10 minutes, 15 minutes, 20 minutes. But gradually, more consistently. So slowly you can lower your head down. Gently rock your head a little bit. Folding your hands on your belly. Relaxing tension. So elbows are down by your side. The way we relax, I will give you a few options. You can cross the legs at the ankles. Letting your legs come down to the floor. So hip joints gets to be more open. You get a release in the lower back. If you're more flexible, touch the soles of your feet. And then taking reclined bound angle pose. Or if you need, right, some of us might feel better with the feet down, knees stay up. That is okay too. So whatever posture that makes you feel more supported, take 3 deep breaths with your eyes closed. Breathing in. Breathing out. So slowly, when you're ready, you can gently turn to your right side. So I'm going to be your mirror. So slowly turn onto the side and gently press yourself up to a seated posture. More supportive way of coming up instead of just come up, right, with your kind of like a crunch position. So once you're seated up tall, if you're comfortable, you can take half lotus and just a little bit of rolling in the spine and feel your body. Roll the shoulders up, back, and down. Rocking out. Yeah, so feeling your body, your core, maybe a little bit more sore or warmer, and then your head cooler and your mind more inside. This is a great practice to do every single day if you're able to. Before going to bed, it's also really good. They'll help us to calm our mind. Anytime you need, it's a great posture to turn to. I will see you next week. Keep practicing.